everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you guys a tutorial on how to show row number on the keyboard on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, so without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so first thing first, I want to open the application to show a keyboard and I choose Node for this. Alright, here click plus to show the keyboard. Alright, over here. So now I'm gonna add row number on the top of this keyboard guys. The first thing, you can go to settings menu of the keyboard, and then you can go to preferences and you can activate the number row over there. So now if you're finished, now let's we check together, and yeah, this number row has appeared on the top of the keyboard. Okay, so here's the tutorial on how to show number row on the keyboard on Infinix Smart 8, and don't forget to subscribe Spararia YouTube channel and get notified from it so you don't miss any other interesting videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys.